there. It's your girl, Kamrica Ary-Turner, your Associate Director with AWSP, supporting Puget Sound ESD 121 and Northwest ESD 189. I'm coming to you today to speak to my leaders of color. How I've missed you. We have not communed since November, and I just want to let you know about a few upcoming things that we have on the calendar. I'll be sending out an update for 2 Zoom links for us to commune virtually in the next few weeks, so stay tuned for that. And we will also be working on creating another social opportunity such as the one we did back in November. But upcoming here in the next month and a half or so, May 11th from 1 to 4 at the Puget Sound ESD, we will be hosting a Eval Lit, facilitated by yours truly, for us to have authentic and transparent conversations around our evaluations as leaders. So our school leadership framework and how we can support, grow, and sustain each other as leaders of color as we grow in our leadership journey. I hope this opportunity provides time for you to step away from your building and truly examine how you're showing up as a leader and reminding yourself how you're contributing to your building and to your district, giving you time that you barely ever have, you have to do at night or on the weekend where you have to upload your evidence and you have to remind yourself of the things that you did back in September or even in June. And so we hope to create those opportunities for you when you come and join us on the 11th. With that said, I also just want to say that it's important that we set aside time to professionally grow with one another. I know that as a leader of color, I've never been in the space or had the opportunity to be in the space with other leaders who look like me and have those conversations around how I can grow professionally and how I can navigate the challenges, the ups and downs, or the celebrations. I've never had the opportunity to share and commune and reflect with other leaders who look like me and who may be experiencing the same things I am. And so it was really important that we provided the space for all of you to come join us on May 11th. With that said, my seasoned leaders, we need you in the room. We need your wisdom. We need your support. We need your coaching, your mentorship. We're going to be having some tough conversations about, hey, what if we're not showing up and performing the way that we need to? Or maybe one of our assistant principals or our principals isn't showing up. How do we have that conversation? Or, my leader is not giving me the support I need. How do I have that conversation with them? So we need all voices in the room from all different levels of experiences, from all different ranges of years of experiences in the room so that we can really grow and support and sustain as leaders of color. Please join me May 11th, 1 to 4, PSESD, registration's open.